Leslie pumps into the far post. Carew, easy header back, gets across the goalkeeper, back where it comes from. And that's the one opportunity they've been begging for. And we just said just a short while ago, is it beginning to turn in their favour? The Birmingham boys look slightly tired. That's what it means to him.